Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Bedroom Comfort. Are you tired of breathing in dirty air at home, waking up with allergies and pet hair everywhere? Well, let me introduce you to the LEVOIT Air Purifier for Home Allergies Pet Hair, a game changer that's about to revolutionize the way you live and breathe. This powerful air purifier is lightning fast, with a 56W high-torque motor that delivers fast and effective cleaning, making it perfect for your home, bedroom, or office. With its HEPA-grade filter, you can say goodbye to pesky allergens and hello to clean, fresh air. And the best part, it's incredibly quiet, with a near-silent 24 dB noise level in sleep mode, so you can sleep peacefully without any distractions. But don't just take my word for it, thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its performance and effectiveness. The LEVOIT Air Purifier is also AHAM verified, with a CADR rating that can refresh the air in a 222 square foot room up to 4.8 times per hour. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, with no congestion or allergies. That's what this air purifier can do for you. It's also super comfy, with a sleek design that blends in with your decor, and a strong filtration performance that captures 99.97% of fine particles, including pollen, dust, and animal dander allergens. Whether you have pets or allergies, this air purifier is a must-have. It's powerful, efficient, and whisper quiet, making it perfect for any room in your home. So why wait? Get your LEVOIT Air Purifier today and start breathing easy. It's an investment that will change your life for the better. As always, links in the description. 1. Have a nice day. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.